Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
These buns are soft, pillowy and eggless. Let's make legendary Irani cafe style bun maska which is slathered with butter and made to melt in your chai. Trust me, you cannot miss this recipe. Start by combining butter, sugar and yeast. Once this mixture froths up, sift in flour, milk powder and salt. Then knead to make a smooth dough. Now add butter and oil and combine everything till you get a soft dough. Rest it until doubled in volume. Then divide the dough in 3 equal portions, shape them into buns, brush with milk and optionally sprinkle sesame seeds. Now bake until golden brown and enjoy. You know what? You can make the best burgers using these beetroot buns. Look at the softness. Start by boiling beetroot for 7 to 8 minutes, then grind to make fine paste. Transfer to a bowl along with its water and combine sugar along with the active dry yeast. Let the yeast bloom for 5 minutes and then combine whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour and salt. Now knead for 7 to 8 minutes. Add oil and knead again to get soft dough. Let it rest at warm place until almost doubled in volume, then punch it down and shape the burger buns just as shown. Let them proof again, brush with water and sprinkle sesame seeds. Now bake in a preheated oven until done and enjoy. If you are from Bangalore, then you would know what khara bun is. It was introduced by Iyengar Bakery years ago and today we are making it at home. To make the masala, add cumin seeds to ghee followed by green chilies, curry leaves and onions. Then add salt and turmeric powder. Saute till onions become translucent. Remove the pan from heat, add chopped coriander and let the mixture cool down completely. Now for the buns, combine warm water, sugar and yeast. Once it froths up like this, add both the flours, salt and onion masala we just made. Mix and then add soft butter. Knead to make soft dough. Let it proof until doubled in volume. Divide and shape in balls just as shown. Proof again, brush with milk, bake and enjoy. These are no yeast, no gluten, no sugar and diabetic friendly burger buns which are even good for digestion. Start by washing masoor dal and urad dal 4 to 5 times, then soak for at least 1 hour. Now add to the mixer jar along with yogurt, salt, lemon juice, oil and psyllium husk to make a fine paste. At the end add baking soda and shape them in buns. Sprinkle mixed seeds on top and bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Now assemble these fiber-rich dal buns as you like and enjoy. Guess what? The name of this dessert translates to almost husband. Taking inspiration from Italian maritozzi, let's make pillowy soft cream buns. Start by mixing flour, milk powder, sugar, instant yeast and salt. Then add warm milk to bring everything together. Now add soft butter and knead for 5 to 7 minutes till the dough passes a window pane test. Rest the dough until doubled in volume, shape them into buns and proof again. Brush with some milk and bake. Now make a slit and fill in the whipped cream. Sprinkle some pistachios and get ready to dig in.
तो आप इस रेसिपी को जरूर ट्राई कीजिए एंड इफ यू डू शेयर पिक्चर्स विद मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड टैग बोल्ड बेकिंग नेशन. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. टिल देन, बेक बोल्ड एंड लिव स्वीट.